vlog, and I'm going to show you a house. A house tour.
Where are you at? You're in. Okay.
I can't just go. Well, I'm just going to show you the sign.
Where are you at? You're in
Vacation Village.
Vacation Village Resort.
Let's get in my room. Here's my room. And here's my stuff. And here's my bed. And then here's the bath.
Laura.
There's TV. Yeah.
Okay.
And so it's a bathroom and a shower. This is not my bathroom shower. That's not going to show if it is leaving or not leaving. Here's the kitchen. Ooh. We got upstairs too, so if we run out of things, we're just going to take it out. Okay, and then here is a table.
Daddy.
And here's the fireplace. Here's a fireplace. Like, this is how you turn it on. Look at it. Yeah, and so here's the bathroom of my dad.
Turn the lights on.
Here's my dad's bathroom. He got that thing.
Now you can show.
And here's my dad. Dad, say hi.
Say hi to.
Just say hi. He's like, okay. And I need the And thank you for watching to my vlog. Bye, everyone.
The next morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. This is our first morning here in Village. This is beautiful. Daddy, come. Good morning. Just look at the door. What you gonna do? Happy Sunday. Today, careful, go to. Where are you going today?
Busch Garden.
Busch Garden. I hope you have a good Sunday, everyone. So we're gonna get ready to eat. So see you later.
I'm starving.
Don't forget this. 1, 2, 3.